baby, another day, another rip on the KLX again. Let's go. Let's see if we can touch his back fender. No, I'm just kidding. That would be crazy. Woo! I was trying to slow it back down a little bit, couldn't do it. I got a question for any other KLX owners though. Have you ever like upgraded your clutch plates or replaced the clutch plates, anything like that? Because I haven't done that on this bike yet, and I mean, it's fine. I'm still getting it up fine. It feels like they're grabbing fine, but I feel like there's a slight kind of like delay in it grabbing. I don't really know exactly how to explain it, but I don't know. I know like on the Z125s, people get the upgraded, what do they call them? The heavy duty, the HD clutch plates. I think it just grabs a little bit more when you let it go, but I'm not sure how that'd be on the trail. So last video was yesterday where we hit the post-rainstorm, or I think it would be last video. So the last, yesterday we rode, it was that post-rain ride. So it hasn't rained today. I think it should be, I think all these trails should be pretty dang good condition. Not dusty, not too wet. We may find our way back over to that OG little spot. That's kind of like more of like a trail racetrack to me. Oh my god, dude. No way. I don't know if that's always been there. I almost just ate shit with these rocks. I think I knocked that one loose right there. Holy cow. I gotta watch where I'm going. Like that. Can't really see shit. Check this out. This is also another little structure. This used to be a little hut or house. Looks like there's one there, one here, one there. And another one right there. Plan now is we're gonna head out of here. Go back to that other local spot we were at yesterday when it had just rained, because that spot should be really good now. We really need a way around this. This is killing my vibe. See if we get a little inside line going. Because that outside line kind of just sends you right into that limb hanging down. Yeah, let's check out that new trail we did again yesterday. But whoa, should be in better shape today. don't know what he just saw. Is there a popo?
Nah, somebody was shooting over there.
What?
You didn't hear that?
No. Someone was shooting?
I don't know if they were shooting. Everybody just shoot. A 9mm or a 40 cal just went off. Sounds very distinct. Pop.
I did not hear it.
Rifle rounds are louder and they travel further. Pistol rounds just pop.
Shit, I don't know where you went. Making our own trail through here. It's kind of good to know. All this stuff is like pretty easy to get through, actually. Some stuff's super tough and trees all around. Back on that trail where it's like all marked off nice. I don't know who did this, but pretty cool little trail. Not really used to it yet. The dirt is primo today. These are always muddy spots, but woo! A little rooty. Whoa my god! A lot of bit of rooty, but it's pretty fun. I'm gonna hit that again. That's pretty fun. I was looking back to see if I roosted him. I almost ran my ass into a tree.
If I go out for a ride, I might not make it back alive. Another pickle in the jar. No turning back, I've gone too far. Just a useless point of view. I know it all, don't have a clue.
Hell yeah, I kind of just doubled that. Alright, well, you know how I was talking about the brake pads earlier? I actually just adjusted the lever like it was completely adjusted in and down. And I don't like when it like hits my finger when I'm trying to squeeze it, but I just adjusted it. And it's fine now, so I don't know. But anyways, we're gonna call it here. It's starting to get dark. But anyways, we're gonna call it here. It's starting to get dark. Appreciate y'all watching. Leave a like, subscribe. Check the links in the description for all the KLX mods. I will see y'all in the next video.